Hi, I'm Marta from CIVITTA and I'm leading ANGeLiC consortium. Imagine streets that are quiet, where air is clean, and every vehicle, whether it's a bus, car or truck, runs on renewable electricity. To enable it, we need solutions for energy storage, and I believe that batteries are in the heart of green energy transition. We have already lithium batteries available, but they come with their limitations, especially regarding their capacity, safety, and also dependence on rare metals. There are also new battery chemistries available, like lithium-sulfur, chosen also by our project. However, lithium-sulfur batteries are not ready for the market yet, and there are several challenges to be tackled. No one can do that alone, and therefore we have put together a consortium consisting of 11 partners from 10 different countries. What excites me most is to work with such a diverse and wonderful team, and I believe that together we can make the breakthroughs happen.